8 viral niches that explode channels fast. Okay, so today we're going to talk about something every YouTuber wants to know: the niches that have the biggest potential to grow a channel fast. Choosing the right niches is one of the most important decisions for your channel because it determines how your audience finds you and who your audience is. So it determines your content as well and your growth potential. So let's explore 8 viral niches your YouTube channel will explode quickly. Your first niche, or the niche that I can suggest, is tech and gadgets. People love learning about new technology, phones, laptops, cameras, or smart home devices. Unboxing videos, reviews, and tutorials get a lot of views because they provide value to the viewer. Viewers are curious, okay, about buying or learning how to use a product. They'll always search for you. Tech content works well because it's evergreen. It's always searched for. There's always something new coming out that people want to know. Okay, so the second niche is health and fitness. This is a huge audience on YouTube, from workouts and weight loss tips to healthy eating advice and wellness routines. Also, that works out. Yeah, people are constantly searching for ways to improve their health. If you create clear, actionable content in this niche, it can quickly go viral. Yeah, like crazy, because people are motivated to watch and share helpful videos. Next, we have beauty and fashion, makeup tutorials, skincare tips, hairstyling, and fashion hauls. They get tons of attention. People love learning new looks or finding products they can trust. Beauty and fashion also has an advantage of visual appeal itself, which works really well for thumbnails and clicks. And more clicks, more money, or more watch time hours. Collaboration with other creators in this niche can be helpful for you for your channel growth, so you will grow fast. And number 4 is food and recipes. Cooking and food videos are evergreen, always searchable, and they're shareable. People love to watch recipes, okay, meal ideas, cooking hacks, or even food challenges. This niche works well because it appeals to a broad audience, from beginners learning to cook simple meals to people looking for fun and interesting content around food. So number 5 is personal finance and money tips. People are always looking for ways to save money, invest, or earn extra income. Videos about budgeting, saving, passive income ideas, or side hustles, basically, they are highly searched and tend to perform well. If your content provides real value, like saving money, viewers will keep coming back and sharing your videos. Number 6, the niche is gaming. Gaming content is huge on YouTube. You will not believe it, because it's entertaining for most men, even women or boys. Yeah, and it's highly engaging. Yeah, let's plays, walkthrough, tips, reviews, and live streams. They attract audiences. Gaming also has a very active community on YouTube, which increases engagement and shares, helping videos to go viral faster. Number 7 is education and how to content, like what I'm doing with you. People love learning online, whether it's tutorials, study tips, language learning, or DIY guides. Educational content can go viral because it provides a value and solves a problem for the viewer. In short, every video solves a problem. Plus, if you make your videos easy to follow and visually engaging, they are more likely to share and recommend. So your videos will be shared and recommended. Finally, lifestyle and motivation. This includes self-improvement, productivity tips, daily routines, motivations, and personal growth. People watch these videos because they inspire, teach, or entertain in a personal way. Lifestyle content connects with viewers emotionally, which increases shares, comments, and watch time. Okay, people will end up coming to watch not because they're enjoying your content, but because they're enjoying you if you're showing a personality in that niche. Now, it's important to know that simply picking a niche isn't enough. You need to focus on specific topics within that niche and produce content consistently. You also need to make videos that stand out, yeah, whether through your personality, editing style, or unique approach to a popular topic. That's what helps content go viral. Another key point is research. Look at what's trending in your niche and see what type of videos that get high engagement. Use this trend as your inspiration, but make them your own. You don't need to copy, just adapt and give it your own personal twist. Yeah. So take a title that is doing well and put your own twist to it. There you go. You got original content. So collaboration is another growth booster. Partner with other creators in your niche to reach new audiences. This works well in niches like beauty, gaming, and lifestyle because people naturally trust recommendations from creators they already follow. Also, keep in mind evergreen content versus trends. Evergreen content stays relevant for months or years, while trending content spikes quickly. Mixing both strategies in your niche can help your channel grow fast while also building long-term watch time and subscribers. Yeah. So to summarize what I've been saying in short, I'm simply saying there are 8 viral niches that we discussed today that can explode your channel. I will name them again quickly. So on number 1, we have tech and gadgets. Number 2 is health and fitness. Okay. Number 3 is beauty and fashion. Number 4 is food and recipes. Mind you, whether you cook normal food, just easy meals, just go for it. Don't hold back. Go for it. People will relate to it and they will follow. The right subscribers will find you. The next niche is personal finance and money tips, savings, and all that. Okay. Gaming is another one. And then we got education and how-to content. Last but not least, we have lifestyle and motivation. Things you do daily. Cleaning the house, washing dishes, this and that. Just do it. People will relate and they'll subscribe. Remember, the niche you choose sets the foundation for your growth. Pick something you enjoy doing, something like a hobby, and you can be consistent in creating content about this niche. Okay, with an engaging video, like videos, if you like, your channel can reach new heights faster than you can imagine. Focus on creating value, standing out, and connecting with your audience. That's how niches go viral and channels explode. Now, if you would like to know how to get more clicks on your videos, watch this video right here that I literally went into and explained in greater depth how to get clicks on your videos and to get retention on these very videos. After someone clicks, you need to retain them on the channel. Watch this video right here. It explains about retention, and I will see you in the comment section of these videos right here.